Inside the cockpit of the Rafale, you don't just fly a fighter jet. You command a digital battlefield, touchscreens, sensor fusion, electronic warfare dominance. But here's the question. No one is answering clearly. If this is 4.5 generation technology, if stealth jets like the F-35 define the 5th generation, then what comes next? Is there already a 7th generation fighter jet hiding in development? And if there is, what would it even look like? The Rafale represents peak evolution of 4th generation design, advanced radar, Spectra electronic warfare suite, glass cockpit with wide area displays. It can track multiple targets simultaneously, engage beyond visual range, operate in nuclear deterrence roles. Yet, it is not stealth in the same way as 5th generation fighters, and that raises tension. If this is already advanced, what does 6th or even 7th generation look like? Let's clarify something. There is officially no operational 7th generation fighter jet. Not yet. Currently. 4th generation, classic multi-role fighters. 5th generation, stealth and sensor fusion. 6th generation, under development, featuring AL assistance and drone teaming. Programs like Europe's Future Combat Air System and America's Next Generation Air Dominance aim for 6th gen capability. But 7th generation, that's where speculation begins. Look back at the Rafale cockpit. What makes it powerful isn't just weapons, it's information dominance, pilot workload reduction, data fusion, network connectivity. Future fighters are expected to go further. AL co-pilots, directed energy weapons, hypersonic integration, swarming drone control, and possibly autonomous strike capability. But here's the reality. Every generation label is unofficial. They're marketing, doctrine, and technology combined. Here's the conflict. Air warfare is shifting from dogfights to data fights, from maneuverability to machine intelligence. The Rafale cockpit still centers around a human pilot making final decisions. But what if the next leap removes that limitation? What if the pilot becomes a mission commander, while AL controls tactical execution in milliseconds? That's the threshold between 6th and hypothetical 7th generation thinking. Here's the twist. We may never officially hear the term 7th generation. Instead, capabilities will evolve gradually. Stealth layered with AList hypersonic weapons integrated with drone, swarms, cyber warfare embedded into flight control systems. The Rafale cockpit today shows us how far human-machine integration has come. But the next revolution might be machine dominant. And that's a strategic shift, not just technological. So, is there a 7th generation fighter jet? Officially, no. Operationally, not confirmed. Conceptually, absolutely being imagined. The Rafale represents advanced 4.5 generation capability. 5th generation defines stealth dominance. 6th generation is in development. 7th generation remains theoretical, possibly AL-led, optionally unmanned, and digitally sovereign. The real evolution isn't about wings or engines anymore. It's about information supremacy. The Rafale cockpit shows how pilots command modern battle space, but future fighters may command entire networks. And when that happens, air power will be redefined. From Rafale's glass cockpit to hypothetical AL war machines, the sky is no longer the limit. The question is not whether 7th generation exists. The question is, who will reach it first? Subscribe to Supersonic News now. Turn on notifications. Because the next revelation might expose the future of air warfare before it's officially announced. Stay informed, stay strategic, stay supersonic.